Yes, kita. But I need to do this. Oh, this one, this one. Oh, this one over there. Oh, wait, there's tricycle. Yeah, yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Jump! Beautiful rainbow. It's a video. Because it cannot appear in whole. Beautiful one. Beautiful couple. You have the same face. Oo nga, double rainbow nga. Double rainbow. Double rainbow. Wow, we have double rainbow here. Before it's only one rainbow. But now look. Look at this. 1, 2. The other one is going to fade. What happening? Why double rainbow? What does it mean? I will video you. Together. Come on, let's go. This is the water in Mount Aray, Tangke. We're in Tangke. Okay. Lamig, no? You can take a bath if you can. Bare naked.